school focuses on the interaction between food, nutrition, and human health. The goal of this winter school is to bridge the gap across different disciplines by providing a very solid and strong environment for students who will be able to engage, interact, and follow a variety of courses. The focus is on quality of food and human nutrition in order to understand how they are related and how they affect human health via dietary habits.
Summer-winter school on food and health is a great achievement for us. It is a step forward in the development of relations between Padova and city universities in different fields: research, teaching, interactions with the local environment. I'm sure that fruits coming from this summer-winter school will be extremely interesting for all of us in the future.
We are convinced, and I would say we have been convinced for nearly 800 years, that international connections between students of all over the world into a good university site is the strength of a university. Therefore,
none of us can be strong in absolutely everything. And so we need to find complementary partners to work with. What we're looking for is obviously excellence in research and in teaching. It's very, very important in every sort of world-class university to make sure that both of those two things are perfectly aligned. And what we discovered here at Padova is we find the same thing, but the same kind of thinking.
The students had 2 weeks of lectures in this course. The first week dealt principally with food and food production and food qualities. The second week dealt with health, and so teaches students how to think across disciplinary boundaries to tackle these problems that don't respect academic disciplines. It's a very powerful way of dealing with food and nutrition problems.
Provide a great opportunity for us to educate a young generation for the challenges exist in food manufacturing, to change the drive from taste and profit to sustainability, to health, and for traceability.
It's a huge opportunity for the staff from both Sydney and Padua, both great universities of the world, to get together, talk to each other, to contemplate these issues.
Learning from a broad range of lecturers and academics, as well as industry leaders. I feel that'll be invaluable to my future career path, no matter where I take it.
It's been a good kind of cultural insight to Italian food.
If I'm going to deal with patients that are going to have problems with food, I need to know the food itself properly and the impact of food on our health.
I can really say that it's a very enriching experience and that I'm so glad to have applied for it.
if you go around the world, you won't find many courses like this. If this model is successful, then what is more exciting? Let it become a full course held together by the two universities. This is the aim.